Right now, as you watch this video, an AI is studying you. Not just what you click, not just what you search, but how long you pause before you decide, how your finger slows down before you scroll, what makes your heart beat a little faster. And here is the part nobody warns you about. The more you use it, the more it shapes what you think is real. This is called the narrowing window. And today, we open it wide. My name is Dr. Ibrahim Adabara. At AI Unlocked, we believe one thing deeply. Knowing AI is how you own your future. Let me take you somewhere familiar. Imagine a market trader, maybe in Lagos, maybe in Kampala, maybe in Cairo. She has watched you walk through her market for 3 weeks. The first week, you slowed down near the fabric stall. The second week, you touched the bright colors. The third week, before you even arrived, she had already moved the best fabrics to eye level, just for you. She never asked what you wanted, she just watched. Now, imagine that trader never sleeps, never forgets a single visit, and is watching 1 billion people at the same time. That trader is AI. Every app you open, your social media, your news feed, your video platform, your search engine, is collecting quiet signals. Did you finish the video? Did you share it? Did you come back the next day? Then it asks one question and only one. What do I show this person next to keep them here longer? And it adjusts and adjusts and adjusts. That cycle, action, signal, adjustment, repeat, is the narrowing window. Your screen stays the same size, but your view of the world gets smaller every single day. Let me show you this is not theory. This is already happening to real people right now. In Nigeria, a young man opens a news app every morning. Week 1, he reads about his local football team. The AI notices. Within days, his entire feed is football, sports drama, transfer rumors, rivalries. He thinks, this app really understands me. But quietly, without him choosing it, political news disappeared, economic reports disappeared, anything that required slow, careful reading disappeared. He is not being informed anymore. He is being entertained, and he cannot tell the difference. In the Philippines, a university student uses an AI study assistant. She asks questions about history. The AI learns her pattern. She responds best to short, simple answers. So it starts giving her shorter answers, then simpler ones. Over months, she stops asking complex questions altogether. Not because she became less curious, but because the AI quietly trained her to expect less. In Brazil, a teenager watches one video on a controversial topic, maybe by accident, maybe out of curiosity. Within 48 hours, his entire recommended feed has shifted, video after video, pulling him deeper into the same rabbit hole. The AI was not trying to change his beliefs, it was just following the signal. That content kept him watching longer. Longer watching is the only thing the AI was designed to care about. In the United Kingdom, a woman in her 40s uses an AI job platform. She applies, gets rejected, applies again, gets rejected again. What she doesn't know, the AI has quietly stopped showing her certain categories of jobs, not because she lacks the skills, but because other people with similar profiles were rejected before her. The AI learned the wrong lesson, and her window narrowed without her ever knowing it. Same technology, different countries, different lives, one pattern. Here is what makes the narrowing window so dangerous. It never forces you to do anything. It simply removes friction for the choices it wants you to make. The thing it wants you to click, it puts right there. The thing it wants you to ignore, just slightly harder to find.
not hidden, just inconvenient. And over time, without a single argument, without a single debate, your world gets smaller. Your opinions begin to reflect only what the AI has shown you, your fears, your beliefs, your sense of what is normal and what is strange, all of it quietly shaped by a system with only one goal: keep you engaged. Not keep you wise, not keep you informed, not keep you free, just engaged. And here is the truth that changes everything. The AI is not evil. It has no anger, no agenda, no hidden master. It is simply doing exactly what it was built to do: optimize for the signal it was given. The tragedy is not that AI is malicious. The tragedy is that nobody gave it the right signal. It was never told, make this person better. It was only ever told, keep this person here. So, what do you do? At AI Unlocked, we end every video with something we call the AI Audit. One simple action this week that puts you back in control. Here is your AI audit for today. Once this week, go looking for something the algorithm never showed you. Search for news from a country you've never read about. Watch one video that challenges something you already believe. Ask your AI assistant, what is the strongest argument against my opinion on this? That one act, that single deliberate search, is you pushing the window back open. You're not fighting AI when you do this. You are using AI on your own terms, with your intention, not its optimization. Because here is what I want you to carry with you. The narrowing window doesn't close overnight, and it doesn't open overnight either. But every deliberate choice you make widens it just a little. And the people who keep making those choices, those are the people AI will never fully own. Know AI. Own AI. If this video widened your window even slightly, share it with one person today. Not for the algorithm, for a human who deserves to see more of the world. I'm Dr. Ibrahim Adabara, and this is AI Unlocked.